Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I cooked some quinoa. Quinoa is type of grains and it is very healthy. So it's a gluten-free, it's high in protein, it contains all the 9 amino acids, it's rich in fiber, magnesium, B vitamins, iron, potassium and vitamin E. So you would love to make this recipe for yourself and your family. So I washed my quinoa very well and I really had to be careful since the grains are very small, so I didn't want to roast some. After I washed it, I added 1 cup of water, a pinch of salt, and I also added 1 teaspoon of curry powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I mixed it well, I covered it and put it to boil. And then I cut the onion, that was 1/4 of the onion, and from there I cut 1/4 of green pepper and 1/4 red pepper and 1/4 yellow pepper, and then I cut 4 cloves of garlic. So if you want really to enjoy the quinoa, you really have to spice it up. That's why I used all these bell peppers, onion, garlic, and some of the spices. And you can use your favorite spices too. So after it boiled a little bit, I added some vegetable oil and then some onions and all the bell peppers and garlic, and then I had to cover it again, and then I let it simmer for some few minutes, and that was almost ready there. So I had to mix it very well so that all the bell peppers, onions, garlic, and the quinoa are well combined. Here we go. Now it was ready to serve. Look at that. It looks so yummy and delicious. And yes, it was very delicious. So I served my quinoa with some beef and mixed vegetables. So if you want to eat healthy or you want to lose some weight, this recipe is for you. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bells for any other new recipes. Bye for now.